of hunter-gatherers and a group without cattle who lived alongside the Maasai. Fashioning the weapons of the hunt, they were blacksmiths, circumcisers, and traditional healers, and were invaluable to their Maasai cousins. Letilet's mother is a Maasai, but he learned all the skills of a hunter from his father. Although he now lives the life of a sedentary pastoralist, he understands the ways of his forefathers. He knows how to keep his weapons sharp and how to flinch the skin from a carcass using small flakes of obsidian stone. Hunters used arrows with flights made from vulture feathers and sometimes tipped with poison to take game like zebra, buffalo, and gazelle for their food. To show off their prowess, they would also have hunted lion. Letilet knows how to utilize as many as 300 plants for his needs. The soft leaves of the old leleshwa were used as an underarm deodorant and still are today, whilst the cotton-like seed pods gave him a soft bedding at night. The aspilia, with bright yellow daisy flowers, was used to treat ringworm by mixing spittle with the crushed leaves and placing it over the infected area. The orange berries of the elseki, or sandpaper tree, were a symbol of peace. The branches were laid down to settle disputes. The rough leaves were also used to sand down bows, arrows and spears, whilst the bark could be used to start fires. Rapid turning of a harder wood in the soft elseki base creates the heat to start his fire. Once his fire is started, he splits open his meat, in this case the shoulder of a goat, which could once have been a Thompson gazelle.